Phase 2, Mastering the Mind. The Levers of Influence. Authority is a shortcut for the brain. We obey the voice of power.
An AI-generated voice of your boss. A request that sounds real. Manufactured urgency. Crushing the time needed to think.
Decide now, or lose it all. The scarcity trap.
Fear of missing out overrides the logic of the wallet.
Social proof. If everyone is doing it, it must be safe.
A gallery of ghosts. A consensus of shadows.
High pressure. Low resistance. The master's preference. Bypassing the frontal lobe. Targeting the primal fear. You signed the deal, but you didn't read the hidden terms.
Every organization is made of people. Everyone has a price. Reciprocity. The debt you didn't know you owed. The psychological cloud. Obscuring the threat.
Incentivizing betrayal. The inside threat. The machine knows which button to push.
Cognitive bias. Triggered. The dopamine loop. Hooked on the lie.
Overloading the senses. The chaos before the extraction.
The deceptive interface. Trusting the machine's lies.
A maze of mirrors. Losing your sense of reality. Chasing a phantom profit. Holding only air. The data harvest. Your life as a script for a scam.
The sting of social approval. The poison of the edge.
The connection is live. The wall is down. Rapport established.
The silent theft.
Authorized by you. No credit. No identity. No choice. The vision was flawed. The mastermind won.
The cold reality of a human hack.
Regret is an analog emotion in a digital world. I trusted him.
The spread of the mental virus.
The personal cost. Nothing is sacred. Psychological profile. Decoded. They know your next move before you do.
Checkmate. The mind has been breached.
The quiet power of the mastermind. Turning your trust into their capital. The illusion of security is gone. The stage is set for the extraction. Erasing the self, one byte at a time. The internal highway of the deception. Control, absolute. No manual override. No escape. Physical wealth, digital disappearance. The glitch in the soul. You are being replaced. The shadow is the new owner of your life.
Target. Compliant. The master is satisfied.
Phase 3. The Architect's Toolkit.